These days, bloggers face many challenges to stay productive. But here's the good news. Technology has given us the productivity tools designed to help bloggers optimize their workflows and maximize their output. So in this video, we'll explore the top 10 productivity tools for bloggers. And I've chosen these tools specifically to help with efficiency, organization, focus, and time management. With that out of the way, let's get started. But before we do that, just a quick heads up. All the links to the tools I'm about to mention are in the description. So if you're interested in checking them out, feel free to use those links. Some are affiliate links, so if you decide to purchase something, we'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. These commissions help us keep creating content to help more people. So if you decide to use them, thank you very much in advance. We really appreciate it. Alright, the first tool I'll share with you is Notion. Notion is a workspace that acts as a one-stop solution for all your work-related needs. You can create anything from notes to to-do lists to knowledge bases and even complex databases. What I love most about Notion is how customizable it is. You can structure your workspace to fit your specific workflow. Whether you need to nest pages and subpages or link different elements together, Notion makes it incredibly easy. I've used Notion for all sorts of things like creating content calendars, managing to-do lists, writing blog posts, saving content for onboarding new writers, and so much more. I'm a big fan of Notion. It's amazing. Definitely check it out. The second tool I want to talk about is Asana. Asana is powerful task management software designed to boost productivity and simplify task management for everyone involved. Essentially, Asana cuts down the time spent on emails, meetings, and juggling tasks. For example, teams can create and assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all in one centralized platform. Something I really like about Asana is how you can create a Kanban board to keep track of your blog content creation progress. It makes it super easy to visualize what stage your content is in and how long it might take to finish everything. So if you want a tool that allows you to do that, definitely check Asana. You can start using it for free. The third tool on my list is the Thrive Themes Suite. The Thrive Themes Suite is a collection of powerful tools designed to help businesses thrive online. And it has everything you need to create a high-converting website that drives more leads and sales. What I like the most is its ability to create stunning conversion-optimized landing pages. You don't even have to start from scratch. They offer plenty of templates you can use to save time and build better pages. Another thing I appreciate is their content builder, which helps improve the quality of your blog content. It's very easy to use and a great way to make your blog content more engaging and visually appealing. So if you have a WordPress website, the Thrive Theme Suite is one of the best ways to optimize your website for maximum conversions. With that said, if you don't need the full suite of tools they have to offer, then check out Elementor. It's just as good, and since you aren't getting the full suite, it's much cheaper. And the fourth tool I want to highlight is In One SEO. In One SEO is a WordPress SEO plugin that helps you improve your search rankings. They offer a wide range of tools for optimizing pages, adding rich snippets, creating sitemaps, optimizing for local SEO, and improving SEO for e-commerce pages. Some of my favorite features include the webmaster verification tools, which make site verification across different search engines quick and easy, and their SEO audit checklist, which helps you fix issues like missing alt text on images or on minified code. Plus, it automatically generates sitemaps and ensures they're synced properly with Google Search Console. So if you have a WordPress website, definitely check them out. It's really good. The fifth tool I want to share is Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a suite of productivity tools that include apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar. What I love about Google Workspace is how it lets you collaborate in real time, store and share files, and manage your email and calendar seamlessly. And since it's cloud-based, you can access your files from anywhere with an internet connection. I often use these apps on my iPad for quick access to information and get work done while I'm on the go. It's honestly a lifesaver, and I can't emphasize enough how useful Google's suite of tools is. So if you don't want to use Notion and you want access to the rest of the tools Google has to offer, then Workspace is a no-brainer. Check it out. The sixth tool is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that helps you create better content faster. Rytr has many use cases. For example, you can write emails, reply to reviews and messages, create SEO metadata for your blog and web pages, create calls to actions, and generate content for social media and blog posts. Some of my favorite uses of Rytr include creating metadata for my blog posts and pages, generating blog content, writing social media posts, and crafting copy for products and service pages. I love Rytr. I've been using it since it came out. I highly recommend it. The seventh tool on my list is Hemingway. Hemingway is a content editor that highlights areas for improvement in your writing. What it does is it identifies complex sentences, excessive adverb usage, and points out opportunities to simplify your language. Honestly, Hemingway is a godsend for polishing your content to perfection. Believe me, once you start using Hemingway, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. It's a must-have tool that will take your copywriting to the next level. Next up is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a SEO tool that's an excellent choice for SEO beginners and anyone who doesn't need the full suite of advanced features found in more robust tools like Ahrefs, Moz, and SEMrush. Some of the things I love about Ubersuggest is how easy it is to use, how good the quality of the data is, and on top of all of that, how cheap it is. I can't stress this enough. Ubersuggest offers two plans, a monthly membership and a lifetime membership. And this makes it a cost-effective solution, especially for small businesses, bloggers, and anyone just starting out in the SEO world. So, if you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly SEO solution, Ubersuggest is definitely worth considering. The ninth tool is Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a powerful suite of SEO tools that lets you conduct keyword research, analyze competitors, identify content gaps, track your rankings, and do in-depth SEO analysis, backlinks analysis, and so much more. It's widely regarded as one of the best SEO tools on the market, and they offer some of the most reliable data out there. The only downside is that if you only care about blogging and doing keyword research, then the full suite of tools can be quite expensive. The upside is that they recently came up with a new plan that is perfect for people who are just starting out and for bloggers who don't need access to all their features. So if you only want to do keyword research, some website analysis, and track your rankings, I recommend getting their starter plan. It's definitely worth the investment. To wrap things up, the 10th tool on my list is WordPress Rocket. WordPress Rocket is a WordPress SEO plugin that specializes in improving your website's performance. WordPress Rocket optimizes your files, lazy loads your images and videos, preloads cache and links, and even optimizes your images, among other things. What I absolutely love about WordPress Rocket is how much of a difference it makes in speeding up your website performance. Check the results we've seen from testing our website speed. So if you have a WordPress blog that's taking a bit too long to load, I highly recommend checking out WordPress Rocket. It's a godsend for improving your blog's performance. Look, productivity tools are essential because they simplify tasks, streamline workflows, and boost efficiency. But it's important to focus on using the right tools and avoiding getting distracted by shiny object syndrome. Just because new tools pop up everywhere doesn't mean we need to use them. Instead, take a moment to evaluate what's out there and focus on a select few tools that truly help you get the job done. Okay, now you have a list of powerful tools to help you write better and faster blog posts, so make sure to put them to good use. You don't need anything else. And don't forget, you can find all the links to the tools I mentioned in the description. Using those links helps us out. Alright, we hope you found this information useful. If you did, kindly hit the like button and subscribe for more content marketing content. We publish at least one new video every week, so if you have any questions about the tools we mentioned or you have suggestions for future content, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.